Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your environment. Install Python 3.10 or newer and run Python version to verify. Once done, install Python Master app and create a dedicated project folder so dependencies stay isolated. Next, enable a virtual environment, use venv or virtualenv, and activate it. This prevents system package conflicts and ensures reproducible installs. Make sure to add a requirements. TXT and pip install the app's core plugins. This gets you past initial blocker. Now you dive into the app's workflow. Open the project and select the virtualenv interpreter so code runs with correct packages. Then use the integrated editor to write modules, the run panel to execute, and the debugger to set breakpoints and inspect variables. This helps you find logic errors early. Also configure linters and formatters for consistent style and enable pre-commit hooks for automated checks. Doing this reduces review time and prevents style regressions as your project grows. To finish, prepare packaging with setup. CFG or piproject, TOML and build wheels or SDists so deployments are repeatable. Once done, run integration tests and wire the project into CI using the app's export or config helper. This ensures your pipeline runs cleanly. When deploying, use the app's deployment scripts or Docker templates to keep environments consistent. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify the active virtualenv path and dependency versions. Mismatched packages are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.